There is no rule for the arc sine of x. And you say, well, where's the multiplication? But there is a multiplication. Between the arc sine of x and dx, there is a little time symbol. So we're going to try an integration by parts. We let u equal sine of x. The derivative is pretty nasty, 1 over the square root of 1 minus x squared. dv is equal to dx, and then v is equal to x. So we pull out the formula, and we get the integral of u dv is equal to uv minus v du. So we have the integral of arc sine of x, which is u. dv and dx are the same. We get x, arc sine of x. That piece is now done. Then minus another integral of x over the square root of 1 minus x squared dx. That's going to be a u sub. U is equal to 1 minus x squared. Du is negative 2x dx, which we have to finish up. So working on that second half, the first half x arc sine of x is finished. So we're going to work on minus the integral of x over the square root of 1 minus x squared dx. And here again we have u is equal to 1 minus x squared, du is negative 2x dx. So we need to put a negative 2 in there. So we'll put a negative 2 in there and balance it on the outside with a negative 1/2. Since we have a negative though, we'll have a double negative for a positive 1/2. Integral of negative 2x over 1 minus x squared to the half power dx. Now we're going to change our x's into u's to get 1/2. Integral of u, now u to the half comes up top. They become u to the negative half du. And we use our integration rules to get 1/2 times u to the half over half. The 1/2 will cross out, getting just 1/2, u to the 1/2 power, which is the square root of u. Bringing back our 1 minus x squared, we have x arc sine of x plus the square root of 1 minus x squared, evaluated from 0 to 1 to get pi over 2 minus 1.